Chevron Blanket. Chevron is a beautiful stitch that will create this very pretty texture with the garter stitch kind of zigzag line, and then with the eyelet detail that's created by increases. And you can do stripes in different colors, or you can knit it all in one color too. So here we will demonstrate on how to get started with your chevron pattern. Make sure you have enough stitch markers to mark every 13 stitches. So we start by casting on, and you will put stitch markers after every set of 13 stitches. So make sure you have enough stitch markers. In this example, it's 26 stitches total, so two sets of 13. So once you have your 13 stitches, put the marker and then keep going and cast on more as required in your pattern. So here we are done casting on. Then proceed with your foundation row, which is all purl. When you've completed the foundation row, we are starting with the row number 1. So first it's just a knit stitch, and then we're going to do an increase. So this is slightly different from a traditional way to increase stitches because we want to create that pattern with the gaps. So pick up that bar in between the stitches and knit through the front. So just a regular knit stitch, and you've just completed an increase. Then we have 4 knit stitches, so just keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have a slip stitch. So all you do, you're just slipping that stitch onto the right hand needle without knitting it. So just a slip. Then we have knit 2 together. So insert the needle through 2 stitches and knit. Now we have what is called a Psso, so pass slip stitch over. So this was your slip stitch and you're passing it over. Then we have 4 knit stitches and we have another increase. So pick up that bar and knit through the front and end with a knit stitch. Then you just take your stitch marker and put it back on the needle. And we're going to do same thing here. It's just another repeat. Knit 1, pick up the bar, knit through the front, knit 4 stitches, slip 1, slip, knit 2 stitches together, Psso, and keep going. So you have, for every repeat, you have 2 decreases and 2 increases that compensate for each other. So your total number of stitches in every row should always be the same. If it's not, it means you made a mistake and you need to go back and find where it is. So you can kind of see the beginning of the chevron pattern here. And just to kind of see, you can compare, we will demonstrate. So here is the finished blanket, and this is kind of where you're at. And just keep knitting and keep following the pattern.